Welcome back. I'm here with Hy-Vee Dietitian Kaiti George. Time for another quick bite.
Quick bite. So we're going with the orange theme still, right?
Fall. Yep.
Fall, orange, we got this. So I am a problem solver for many of my patients and clients, and just really trying to help them through like how to get over some of their obstacles. And obviously breakfast tends to be an obstacle, snack is an obstacle, and then there's a lot of things that people just don't like, and sometimes that's yogurt. And I love yogurt, and so I kind of sometimes I'm like, I don't get why you don't like yogurt, but that is a big barrier to a lot of people. So a very popular item is going to be a smoothie bowl, and if you've ever been to the East Coast or the West Coast, or I mean literally anywhere, you can have them in Kearney, Nebraska, but
popular,
I know they are very, very popular. And then you tell somebody, but you can make this at home. They're like, huh? You can do that?
Cheaper.
Oh my gosh. And so I just want to show you how simple it is. And really the process of a smoothie bowl is just thick. It's like a thick smoothie. You're not going to add as much liquid as you typically would to a smoothie, maybe a little bit more fruit to keep it thick. So this is mango based, and you can do peach based if you want to keep with that orange theme, but we're going to use a whole bag of the mango chunks into our blender, okay? From here, a banana or two. Bananas, just like smoothies, have the tendency to overpower. So we're just going to use a banana here. You can use two if you want, but bananas can just overpower very, very quickly. So just throw those in, and then from here, we're going to add milk. And this is where a lot of people say like, oh, I thought smoothie bowls always had yogurt in them. Not the case, and that is why we're doing this. So we are going to use our Fairlife milk again, and typically if you make smoothies, you usually do glug, 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 and now this is just a little bit of milk. I would say like half of a cup to maybe a cup. The basis is really going to be the fruit, and it's going to be almost like a fruit puree versus a liquid smoothie. So there is that. What this also does, hang on, I'll show you what we're going to do. We're going to put the lid on and literally just zip it up on with a blender. You're going to process it. You have to kind of feel it out and see, do I need a little bit more liquid? Is it not blending up very well?
With just a little bit of liquid. You can always add more.
Add more if you need to. You can't take it away. You can add more fruit if you need to, but we're going to zip it up. So process it, and then you just kind of go from there. You will get a image much like this. This is a smoothie bowl. It is thick. And what I find is people say, if I have a smoothie, I don't feel like it satisfies me because I'm not physically eating and swallowing. I'm just drinking. So this really takes that out, and definitely a solution that I give some of my patients about, like, well, what about it? Instead of a smoothie, what about a smoothie bowl? A little bit thicker. Customize it as you want. We put some berries on top, as well as some coconut, but it is just a very thick, hearty, healthy breakfast that doesn't contain yogurt. And yogurt is fine, and I love yogurt, but a lot of people don't.
All right, we'll put the recipe on our website. Kaiti, thank you.